Hey guys, it's Mac here, and today it's another sad day for me because my Razer Naga 2014 finally gave up on me this year, and I got my hands on this around 2016. It started to have issues on the middle scroll wheel and its side buttons after a year I bought it. Right click was inconsistent 2 years after, and within this year this happened. The cause of its death, probably it's my daily gaming, and because my work is connected to gaming and my relaxed time is gaming as well. But I think 3 years is very short for its price. Anyway, I think I need to put this mouse on its final resting place. Well, I guess it's time for me to move on. After this day, it dawned on me that I wanted a gaming mouse that will tell me after several years that I'm still working even though you don't want me on your desk anymore. After my excruciating search and overwhelming suggestions from people, I concluded that there could only be one that meets all of those requirements in my mind. So finally, I purchased it. Meet the Logitech G502 Hero. Hey, what's up guys, it's Mac here, and we do a lot of tech review video in this channel, so if you're new here, consider subscribing. With that said, let's look into the review item for today. Price at $60 according to Logitech's website. So the truth is, I don't want to spend $100 for a mouse since it'll break my bank, and I don't want to spend less than $50 on my mouse since the quality is at stake. Well, that's just my opinion according to my experience, but let me know what you think in the comment section below. So inside the box, you'll get the mouse itself, some customizable weights and its compartment, and some documentations. Now let's check out some physical overview. The build is all sturdy plastic material with most of the parts are matte black finish and some glossy parts which I'm not a fan of. But the implementation is beautiful, so no complaints about that. I really love the texture since it doesn't absorb much fingerprint. Well, that may depend how sweaty your hands are, but for me it's okay. Underneath are 4 gliders, and if you flip over here, you'll find the tunable weight compartment. More into that later. The mouse is actually very large, but since I'm a fingertip grip user, I guess it's just fine. So if you're curious about its dimension, just check this out and pause the video. Unfortunately, the only RGB you'll see in this mice is the G logo and the DPI indicator. So if lighting aesthetic is your jam, I don't think this is a good mice for you. So the USB cable is braided, and I think it's around 6 feet long with silver plated USB connection. Enough with the physical overview, now let's check out some features. It actually has an 11 programmable buttons, wherein you'll be able to use Logitech G Hub or gaming software to program these buttons. And one of my favorite is this infinite middle scroll wheel control, wherein you'll be able to scroll infinitely, as they say, by pressing this button over here, and by pressing it again it will make it work normally. Compared to the previous version of this mouse, the new Hero sensor has no problem on white, black, or even glass surface to function. This is also capable of 400 plus IPS across the 100 to 16,000 dpi range with zero smoothing, filtering, or acceleration. Without any of the customizable weights, it's already heavy, so this is the actual weight without the customizable weights inside the mouse. And this is the actual weight with all of the customizable weights inside the mouse. I'm used on using heavy mouse, but for this one, I'll just add 2 weights and that will be perfect for me. Though there are only 2 RGB lighting, which is the G logo and the DPI indicator. The mice is light sync compatible, wherein the RGB is driven by games, audio, or your screen. You can also select from full spectrum, approximately 16.8 million colors, and synchronize the lighting, animation, and effects with your other Logitech G devices. In addition to the core performance and personalization features, many details were thoughtfully engineered and designed. Look for the primary buttons with mechanical switches rated to 50 million clicks, braided cable with hook and loop cable tie, rubberized side grips, magnetic cavity door, and more. Just in case you want to see more detailed specification, just check this out and pause the video. Now let's listen to the actual button clicks of this mice. I've been using this mice for quite some time now and I have no complaints so far. The response time is superb and very accurate. The length of distance is awesome. The placing of several buttons are well thought of. I love the DPI changing on the fly, especially during FPS gaming. On the other hand, my thumb is still looking for a lot of buttons. Well, you can't blame me since I'm coming from a Razer Naga 2014. Well, I guess I have to start training my muscle memory using this Logitech G502 Hero. But if all else fail, I might get a Corsair Scimitar or Logitech G600. What do you think, guys? Let me know your suggestions in the comment section below. Anyway, if you want to pick up a Logitech G502 Hero today, make sure you click the link in the description below. So that's it, guys. If you found this video interesting and helpful, make sure you give us a thumbs up and share it. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.